How to fix TikTok not opening. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about fixing the TikTok not opening issue on your mobile device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working properly. Make sure that it's strong and reliable. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. And then after, simply turn the flight mode or the airplane mode on and off for a few seconds. After this, go ahead and try clearing the cache of TikTok. For that, tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top. Again, scroll down and go to storage. Then click on clear cache. You can also go to in-app settings and then clear the cache. After this, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, either you're using your iPhone or Android. From the search bar in the top, simply search for TikTok application. And if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it with its latest and newest version available. After this, again go to your app info of TikTok application by tapping and holding on to it and then going to this eye icon in the top. You can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Scroll down and go to battery and make sure that it is set to optimized or unrestricted. Come back. Also make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. After this, and if all the solutions do not work, go ahead and uninstall this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Last but not least, go ahead and restart your entire device or system and relaunch the TikTok application, and this should definitely help you resolve the issue. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.